Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to see how we can create our own AI, like a tool which can help us to generate images, and this is completely free. Okay, this is completely free and you can generate unlimited images, and there will be no watermark, and the server will be running on our basically on our profiles, okay, like on our Google account. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do, guys, just go to this website. This is like my GitHub repo. Okay, wait, let me go to my GitHub profile and let me show you where you can find this. Okay, go to GitHub or just directly come. Okay, see, I will show you. You need to go to this profile. Okay, this is like this is my profile picture. Okay, this is personal and minus sign, and after that Vijay GI1137. Okay, you need to go here, and once you are here, just click on repositories, and maybe you will not be able to see the private repositories. Okay, you will see only the public repositories. So what do you need to do right now? Just a little bit scroll down and try to find out the image by IPT repository. Okay, this is a repository image by IPT. Okay, just once you are here, just click on this and enter to this repository. Okay, once you are here, what you need to do, I have like this is a repository which will help us to create a cool images. So as you can see, here's a demo. Okay, here's a demo, and like we can generate the images. Okay, as you can see, the images are very realistic and cool. There's no watermark, and we will see how we can deploy it. Okay, just what you need to do, guys, there is one link I have provided. Okay, just click on this link. Okay, as you will click on the link, you will redirect on this page. This is of Google Colab, and you will get this kind of prompt. Okay, here is my GitHub repository name and the repository which you have clicked. After that, there is one path. Okay, that is Focus Colab and IPYNB. Okay, just click on this, and it will redirect us to the next page, and this is the page where we need to be actually. Okay, so this will be an output, you will be redirected here. So what do you need to do, just you are able to watch here one play button. Okay, just click on this play button and run anyway. So this will start our server here. Okay, so what exactly will be going on here, so we will install pyget. Okay, we will install few libraries of Python, and like after that it will basically clone my repository, and it will run the py file. Okay, so you can see right now it has started downloading the Python files, and it will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, that like this will not depend on your internet or your PC performance. This is on cloud. Okay, this is on Google Cloud, so nothing is on our system. Okay, the now next what you need to do, just wait till it is like downloading the dependencies, and till then I want to show you like the images I have generated by this tool. Okay, and the tool, like the images are really fantastic and really cool. Okay, so here's like my character is there, like I was just testing and I have generated these kind of images. You can generate any kind of images, like any scene or anything. Okay, these are completely free, and there's no watermark. Okay, so these are the images that are generated by this platform, and the images are really fantastic and cool. The face is also constant in every image, and this is really cool. Okay, so you can see like face is constant here. In face there is no change. Okay, so what do we need to do right now, like we will wait for a while till this this is deploying. Okay, and it will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I think it will deploy in just minutes away, and then we will start testing. Okay, we will wait, and Okay, I want to show one more thing to you guys. Soon, like we are going to deploy this Focus AI. Okay, this Focus AI inside our application also. So this is our application. Okay, Comlit Star, and here we are going to add this AI model also. Okay, so what this will do? This will basically help us to do the things in our app itself. Okay, in our just install the app, and after that you can use this AI model. No need to run anyhow on browsers on any further issue while starting the servers or closing the servers. This will like this app will automatically handle your everything. So let's wait. Okay, so once you are here guys, you can see it has provided us two URLs. One is running locally. We will not be able to access this locally because this is on server, not inside our PC. Okay, so what do you need to do? There is one running public URL. Just click on this public URL and a new tab will be open. Okay, so this is what we need actually. We need here to be. Okay, if you guys are on this URL, then perfect. You have got it the access to our AI model, and now we will start creating our images. Okay, till it is loading, we will wait. We can see here it is still working, and let's wait. So it has successfully started the app, and our app had been started, and on this page we are not getting any output, but still we will wait for a while. Okay, as you can see, it has started loading our application, and we will wait for a while. While it is loading, let me fast forward the video. Okay. Okay, cool guys, and we are here. So you can see this is our website. Like this is our page where we will start creating. And let me explain the structure of this like model. So this is a prompt. Like this is a place where we will see the output of our images. This is a prompt where we will give a prompt to our AI model, and these are some enhancement and some advanced feature. If I click on advanced, then you can see here speed, number of images. I will do it right now for testing one, and things. Okay, and I will make here one request, and the request will be like what can I say, a real woman. Okay, just spelling is wrong, not way. So we will wait for a while. We will see how our output will be generated. So let me fast forward the video here. Okay, so you can see right now we have successfully generated our images, and if I show you the quality and the clarity of image, then this image is looking like realistic. Okay, by the way, this is generated by AI, and this is completely fake. There's no person present on this earth with this face. This is generated by AI, and you can see the quality is also too good. Even if you want to enhance this quality, you can just simply enhance this picture. Okay, but we will not do. For that you need to go to input, and you can see here we have various input. Like if you want same like constant image, so image prompt is there. All things you can explore. This is the what I want to show you the model, and explore this is not something which you are seeing on this screen. There's a lot deep about this platform. Okay, so if you are facing any kind of problem, any kind of issue, just contact me or just comment me. I will help you. And one more tip I want to give you: if you are like if you are accessing the if you are running this platform like this server 4 to 5 times, then it might be possible. Then you it will ask you to upgrade your account, but you are not supposed. But I will suggest you that don't upgrade. What I will say that if you have 2 to 3 Gmail accounts, just try with those accounts. This focus like this collab will automatically get a new section about I think after 24 hours. Okay, means if your server had been stopped and it's asking for upgrading, then what you can do, just choose any other Gmail and start working on that, and use this process. We need only 24 hours. Okay, and that's all. and even this works around 2 to 12 to 14 hours constantly. So that doesn't matter. Okay, one more tip I want to give, that don't close this window. Okay, don't close this window, otherwise our terminal will get stopped, and it will stop, and our this AI model will be also stopped. So that's all guys in this video. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you face, just contact me, and thank you. I hope you enjoy this video.